Welcome to another video. We have a question before us. We have 169 minus 16 raised to the power of k divided by 13 minus 4 raised to the power of k is equal to 77. We are required to find the value of k. So let's begin. Before we start answering the question, I would like you to consider subscribing to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. We simplify mathematical problems on this channel. Alright, now let's answer the question. In the numerator, we have 169 minus, here we have 16 raised to the power of k. We can express 16 as 4 raised to the power of 2. Then raised to the power of k divided by, in the denominator we have 13 minus 4 raised to the power of k. And this is equal to 77. Okay. With respect to this term, let us consider this law of indices. If we have a raised to the power of b raised to the power of c, this can be expressed as a raised to the power of b times c, or a raised to the power of c raised to the power of b. Let us apply this law here. So here we have 169 minus, here we will bring k inside the parentheses and we move to outside the parentheses. So we will have 4 raised to the power of k raised to the power of 2 divided by 13 minus 4 raised to the power of k. And this is equal to 77. Here we have 4 raised to the power of k, and here we have 4 raised to the power of k. Let us represent it with a variable. Let's consider variable y. If we make this substitution in this equation will become, we will have 169 minus, here we have y, that is going to be y squared, divided by, here we have 13 minus y, and this is equal to 77. All right, we can put over 1 here and cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we will have 169 minus y squared times 1 will give us the same thing. So we will have 169 minus y squared, and this is equal to, we will multiply 13 minus y by 77. So we have 77 times 13 minus y. So we have 169 minus y squared is equal to, now let us equate the equation to 0. So we have 0 is equal to 1001 minus 169 will give us 832. We have minus 77y plus y squared. Now let us swap the right hand side with the left hand side. We now have a quadratic equation. Y squared minus 77y plus 832 is equal to 0. Now let us look for two numbers such that when we multiply the two numbers, we have 832, and when we add the two numbers together, we will have minus 77. All right. It turns out that the two numbers are going to be minus 13 and minus 64. Now let us equate each of the factors to 0. We have that y is equal to 13. And here we have that y is equal to 64. Recall that we made a substitution. 4 raised to the power of k is equal to y. Now let us find the value of k, since y is equal to 13 and y is equal to 64. We are going to have two cases. Case 1, we have that y is equal to 13, and case 2, we have that y is equal to 64. So here we have 4 raised to the power of k is equal to y. Okay, so here we have that 4 raised to the power of k is equal to y, and y is equal to 13. Let's take the log of both sides. We have log 4 raised to the power of k is equal to log 13. This power will come to the back. We have that k log 4 is equal to log 13. Let us divide both sides by log 4. Log 4 will cancel at log 4. We have that k is equal to log 13 divided by log 4. And this is equal to log base 4 of 13. So this is the value of k. In the second case, we had that 4 raised to the power of k is equal to 64, and we can express 64 as 4 raised to the power of 3. Since the bases are the same, we will equate the exponent. We have that k is equal to 3. We have two values of k. The question is, which one satisfies the equation? Now, let us verify our answer. Alright, in the first case, we will replace k with log base 4 of 13. So we have 169 minus, here we have 4 raised to the power of 2 times log base 4 of 13 divided by 13 minus 4 raised to the power of log base 4 of 13. And this should give us 77. So we have 169 minus 4 raised to the power of log. Alright, so here, these two will become an exponent of 13. So we will have log base 4 of 13 raised to the power of 2 divided by, here we have 13 minus 4 raised to the power of log base 4 of 13. And this is equal to 77. So we have 169 minus 4 raised to the power of log base 4 will cancel. So we'll be left with 13 raised to the power of 2 divided by, here we have 13 minus, again here, 4 raised to the power of log base 4 will cancel. We'll be left with 13. And this is equal to 77. So here we have 169 minus 13 raised to the power of 2 will give us 169. So this will give us 0 divided by 0, which is undefined and is not equal to 77. So we will reject this. Now let us verify the second case. We will replace k with 3. So we have 169 minus 16 raised to the power of 3 will give us 4096 divided by, here we have 13 minus 4 raised to the power of 3, which is 64. And this should give us 77. 169 minus 4096, this will give us minus 3927 divided by 13 minus 64 will give us minus 51. And this should give us 77. And this divided by this will give us 77, which is equal to 77. Since the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, this means that k is equal to 3. Thank you once again for watching this video. If you find this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to my channel. And do remember to like, comment, and share. All the best.